We have our two gas tank straps we want to go ahead and replace. There's one located at the back side of our gas tank and one on the forward side. We're going to use our 13mm socket with extensions and go ahead and loosen this bolt here. Now we're not going to remove it. We're going to move to the rearward bolt and loosen that one. All right, so we're going to go ahead and set up our gas tank jack here. We're going to raise this up. We're going to get this into position. So we're not going to lift the gas tank. We just want to support it at this point. So we're just going to get that just so it doesn't move. We're going to continue to remove our gas tank strap bolts. With our gas tank jack set up, let's go ahead and remove those bolts completely off of our straps. I'm going to go ahead and remove our bolt, and there is a lock washer on the back. This is basically just there to hold that bolt in place, but we're going to spin this lock washer off and remove that bolt and set that bolt aside with that washer. At this point here, we're going to go ahead and try and lower down our gas tank just a little bit. Push our tank to the side, and our strap goes up on the inside of the frame. There's a notch up inside. So I'm going to grab this unit. I'm going to twist our strap to the side and pull that out. So basically this goes up into the notch in the frame and twists, and it locks into place when it pulls down. I'm going to go ahead and install our back strap, and then we're going to go ahead and remove the front strap and get that one installed. There it is. I'm going to go ahead and raise our tank up. Tank into place. We want to go ahead and install our insulation pad here. Now the tank pushed up into place. It's gonna take a little bit of effort to get this pushed up and over. And once we have the strap up there and the tank is pushed up, let's go ahead and get that rear bolt started. Go ahead and tighten this up a little bit. Before we tighten that down all the way, we're gonna go ahead and finish installing our front strap. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get that bolt started. I'm gonna go ahead and get our ratchet up in there. Go ahead and tighten down the rear bolt. With the tank up in place and secure, we can go ahead and lower our gas tank jack, get that out of the way.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.